हेलो फ्रेंड्स, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। मैं आपके सामने एक न्यू ऐप से लाई हूँ जिसकी वजह से आप अर्निंग करके हासिल कर सकते हैं। अगर आप मेरे चैनल पर नए तो मेरे चैनल को लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें, बेल आइकन को प्रेस करें ताकि फ्यूचर में आने वाली हर वीडियो आप तक जरूर पहुँच सके। चले बिना टाइम वेस्ट किए वीडियो शुरू करते हैं। वीडियो शुरू करने से पहले आपको बताती हूँ इस वेबसाइट का नाम है डॉगिन वेंसी। डॉगिन वेंसिकनी is a new investment order to Boston. The dog and a service team of a project and our token will allow you to earn with them any after and will not talk take up grow your team follow Dogwini and enjoy the rewards of the game and then token we use Penny Smart Channel for all Trustno and exchanging. Don't miss you channel to join the best crypto community. There we know such grossy project before you study with used to earn money. View chat BNC join Telegram Twitter earning used dog values used rewards token to our rewards BUSD boost reward will come to you in the form of pairs income after each trusted holder dog winner and earn money in a trusted one. Why no women inventing is every fair by dominance and PN select which slay over and will motion always to sell a other amount of dogan prey monastery which always you to avoid a corpus of the scully and preferred holders. ये जैसे कहते हैं आप देख रहे हैं हमारे सामने कितनी अच्छी पिक्स बनी हुई हैं। Polity in Nif Parliament by will blooding weapons and armor to earn more in-game coins which you can exchanging for Dogan tokens. Doggy wins gameplay choice which side you wish to stay on dog views in a play to earn project that will allow you to earn our token by spending time in the game. You ready to voice it or threaten that voice to empower your dog kill zombies to get coins from them or the rimming a more portrait in only battles with other players, but remember that loss that bitter me end up long some river up longer some room that you cloud portrait sale on our NIF placed pulled housey and selectors to defend against the invasion of zombies and other place, and also you will have the open throat to sell sand be almosting everything that is in you gameplay. ये आप खुद कर सके डॉक्यूमेंट्स टोटल स्पूरियल 0.00.000.00.0.5% down 0.10% liquidity 0.5% for gameplay 0.4% buyback system 0.2% marketing 0.1% around terminates free, no 0.9% from each buy and no 9% from each sale will go proprietary to the holders of domains in used. Extra 3% from each trusted will go to the liquidity pool and 1% will go to the marketing wallet. if you then liquidity will be liquidity for 1 year in the Pancosweep pool. Winter pool check to open, about check to open, great check to open, क्वेश्चन 2 ये आप खुद कर सकते हैं, क्वेश्चन 3 भी, क्वेश्चन 4 भी, क्वेश्चन 1 भी ये आप खुद कर सकते हैं। हाउ टू बाय डाउनलोड तो मेटामास्क क्रॉस एक्सिट नो मोबाइल ऐप सेट अप यू अकाउंट एंड then BNC Smart Channel to you network list 3 use BNC other exchange to push BNB and send it over to you MetaMask wallet address or in you if you already have BNB simply send it to you MetaMask wallet for heading over to their Pancosweep exchange and sweep UBNB for Dogen if you already holder on other token you only sweep that digital for sweep by now. FQ I have issue with village Blavich Dogen who is select I other. How much inventory will I be able to have playing only a day? When will the Aldrep home to me is do once you तार बेंसी स्मार्ट ऑर्डर हाउ या एडिट कर सकते हैं। चलिए हमारी वीडियो यहीं पे ख़त्म हुई। उम्मीद करती हूँ कि मेरी वीडियो आपको अच्छी लगी हो। ओके, अल्लाह हाफिज़।